Keto Homestead with Jess. It's 11:56, lunchtime. So today I am just finishing up making the guys' lunch, and I figured I'd bring you along. I'm just doing some quick lunch for them. I'm doing pepperoni. I didn't move that. Pepperoni sandwiches, just something quick and easy, and something not too heavy on the stomach. It's really hot out. I don't even know what the temperature is, but I would guess it would be high 80s today. Come on. So basically all this is some, I put some Colby cheese on here, and then I'll put some pepperoni and mayonnaise. Quick lunch. Guys are out working in the chicken lot as normal. I'm going to put 6 layers, well, I say 6 rows of pepperoni on here. Give them a nice hearty sandwich here. And then we are going to make them a really nice hydrating electrolyte drink. Some people call it Switchel. Some people call it the Haymaker's drink. But I love anything natural. You guys that watch me consistently know I love natural things. And natural electrolyte is amazing. This drink is amazing. The drink came out in the 1900s, and they drank it. Most of the time it was Haymakers. That's why it's named that. They drank it to hydrate themselves. Hopefully you know just by drinking plain water you don't get your electrolytes and you don't hydrate. So we're going to get to making this drink here in just a second. Get some of this stuff out of our way so you can see what I'm doing. So the guys' sandwich is done. Now they just need a drink. And I love history. I love history. So anything from history is awesome to me. This drink comes from a colonial period, so super fun, super easy to make. Put their sandwiches to the side. I've just got 2 quart-size mason jars here, and what you'll need is vinegar, some lemon juice, ginger, and a sweetener. So one of the reasons, not only for the electrolyte properties of this drink, but back in those days, the water was highly contaminated back then, and water was really dangerous to drink. They didn't really have any purifying systems back then to purify the water. So this was one of the drinks that they would make. So what you do is 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now normally I would use a fresh lemon. However, I dehydrated all my lemons the other day. So I'm going to improvise, and we're going to use some organic pure lemon juice from Santa Cruz. So a tablespoon. And then we are going to do a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I am going to go ahead. Remember the other day, if you follow me and you watch my videos, we did dehydrated ginger. I shredded the ginger and dehydrated that, and then I put it through the magic bullet and ground it up. So I do 1/4 of a teaspoon of ginger powder. Oops, I didn't put that back yet. And then I'll do 1 teaspoon of stevia. Now you can change this up. You can put whatever juice you want in it. You can put whatever sweetener, honey, monk fruit, molasses, whatever you want to use. You can put any sweetener, but because I try to keep my family low carb or keto, these are the ingredients I use. So we're just going to swish that around a little bit. I'm going to grab the guys a couple straws. Try to give them a different color straw. So that they don't get their drinks mixed up. And then what I do is I'll go ahead and add ice to this, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and added the ice to it and some water. You can add regular water, you can add sparkling water, whatever you want to do. Make it your own. I just added regular water, spring water, and some ice cubes. And I just like to stir it up and try to get that ginger distributed as much as possible. And there it is. A natural electrolyte drink, Haymaker's drink, or Switchel. Super good, super hydrating. Yummy, yummy. So, the only thing that I want to add to this is, a lot of you know, because I do the keto lifestyle, I do apple cider vinegar in the morning. So I just want to make a note to you that if you are consuming this and apple cider vinegar in the morning, you need to be cautious. And if you drink too much apple cider vinegar in a day, you can cause yourself to be hungry for air, like you're trying to catch breath and you can't catch your breath. You can cause yourself to have heart palpitations and things like that. So it is suggested that you only do 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar a day. So if you know it's going to be a really, really hot day, I would suggest skipping the apple cider vinegar drink in the morning that I do. It's just apple cider vinegar and water. I would skip doing that if you know it's going to be a hot day, if you want to consume this, and just do a tablespoon in each drink and consume that. Now, if you make the mistake and drink too much apple cider vinegar, no worries. There's something that you can do to counteract it, and that is baking soda. So if you do end up getting any shortness of breath or heart palpitations, or you feel like you can't breathe, all you need is a teaspoon and an 8-ounce glass of water of baking soda. Mix that up and drink that, and that should counteract any of those symptoms. And if this does happen to you, all it means is that your body just became too acidic too fast. So like I said, the baking soda will counteract that. So I hope you drink this. I hope you try it out and you write down in the comments below what you think. If you've made it before with any type of other ingredients, comment in the comments below. Let me know how you like it, how your family likes it. And until next time, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye.